If you've spent any amount of time here on my channel, then you probably know that SoFi is one of my favorite financial tools across the board. But I've now been a customer with SoFi for almost 2 years, and having reviewed countless bank accounts myself, it got me thinking, is SoFi still worth it? So in today's video, we're going to quickly run through everything that SoFi currently has to offer heading into 2022, and talk about if this is still one of the best banking options for you. Alright, let's jump right into it. What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So, like I said, I have made countless videos on the SoFi platform, and despite all of that, I'll tell you right now that I am not sponsored by SoFi, and I never have been, as cool as that would be. So, while I do personally use this platform myself, in fairness, I use a lot of different platforms, and this is a completely honest and unbiased review from someone who has used and reviewed like 100 different financial platforms. Alright, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the features that SoFi currently has to offer. So the first and most prominent feature that I'm going to talk about is the SoFi Money account, which is a hybrid bank account that is essentially a blend of your traditional checking and savings accounts all under one account. So unlike a traditional bank or even similar competitors like Chime, for example, you are not going to have a separate checking and savings account. You are just going to have one account that, for all intents and purposes, operates pretty much like a high-yield checking account. Now, as part of that, you're also going to get access to the SoFi debit card, which is a fantastic product, but is not what I would recommend you personally use, and I'll explain more about that in a minute. But you also get access to their network of over 55,000 free-to-use Allpoint ATMs, the ability to get your paycheck up to 2 days early, a pretty decent 0.25% interest rate, which is not that great, but hopefully this will continue to rise in the future, no overdraft fees and overdraft coverage, and no fees on this account across the board. Your money is also fully FDIC insured up to $1.5 million, which is significantly higher than the standard $250,000 in FDIC insurance, so nothing to worry about there. You also get access to their very simple savings tools that allow you to create what they call SoFi vaults, and essentially these are savings buckets that allow you to set money aside to ensure that you are saving properly and don't accidentally spend that money. They also have some really good roundup tools that we have seen from some competitors, but essentially this allows you to round up your purchases to the nearest whole dollar, and then they will automatically take that money and put it into a SoFi vault of your choice to make sure that you are saving and not spending too much and setting that money aside for your financial goals. The SoFi Money debit card also comes with cashback rewards and a ton of warranty protections and stuff like that, but having said that, I did say earlier in the video that I do not personally recommend that you use the SoFi Money debit card, and that's because SoFi actually has a fantastic beginner credit card product that I've talked about in a number of previous videos, so I won't get into that too much in today's video, but this particular SoFi credit card product is going to give you 2% unlimited cash back on all of your purchases, a ton of great benefits, and it will allow you to build your credit score. And despite all the benefits that the SoFi Money debit card is going to give you, it does not give you 2% unlimited cash back, and it does not allow you to build your credit score like the SoFi credit card. So if you already have a SoFi Money account or you're thinking about getting one, then qualifying and using the SoFi Money credit card not be easier and is one of the best choices you can make for your financial future. So definitely check out the many reviews that I have made on the SoFi credit card on my channel. Moving on from the banking services, SoFi also offers their very popular SoFi investing platform, which allows you to buy and sell various stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and a ton of other assets right from your smartphone and from the same app as your SoFi Money account, which is one of the things that I love most about the whole SoFi platform. With this, you have the standard active investing option, which allows you to buy and sell assets on your own, crypto investing in nearly 30 different popular cryptocurrencies, automated investing tools that will actually ask you a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and then will automatically create a diversified portfolio for you, as well as a number of retirement account options like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, SEP IRAs, and several other retirement tools. The SoFi Invest account, along with many other SoFi products, are currently offering some free money and other rewards when you open and fund your account. So if you do want to get get a free stock of your choice when you open up your SoFi Invest account, then definitely sign up using the link down in the description below. And that also goes for all of the other products that SoFi offers if you want to get some free money when you open your account. And you'll also help support my channel, which I really appreciate. And lastly, with the SoFi Invest account in particular, you also have access to their new IPO investing tool, which allows you to get in on the initial public offerings of certain companies. And this combined with the fractional shares feature that allows you to buy individual slices of a particular stock instead of an entire share is a great way for you to get started as a beginner if you don't have a whole lot of money to get invested with. I know we are moving really quickly through all of this, but next up we have the SoFi Relay platform, which is largely an extension of the SoFi Money accounts, but this is actually their built-in free-to-use budgeting tool. And I will clarify here that all of the tools that I'm talking about today, and frankly all of the tools that SoFi offers, are completely free. And I don't mean that you have to pay to get the upgraded features or premium features, or that there are some different options available or add-ons for a small fee. I mean that literally everything that SoFi offers is completely free, and that's pretty awesome if you ask me. Okay, so with SoFi Relay, you probably know the drill at this point, but I have made a few different videos on this platform, so definitely check those out if you want a step-by-step guide. But essentially, this is going to give you a big picture of your overall financial health and wellness, and allows you to monitor not only your various SoFi financial accounts, but all of your external investing, bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and all of that good stuff right under one app. You can also monitor your credit score for completely free and take a look at the different factors that may be impacting your credit score, and you can create really simple and effective budgeting tools that allow you to set money aside, set spending limits, and keep track of your overall financial health to ensure that you are reaching your financial goals as quickly as possible. It's also going to break down your spending automatically into monthly spending categories, and using all of the credit card monitoring tools and that really valuable information, it is really easy to stay on track with your financial goals. So again, check out the full review for an in-depth look at the SoFi Relay platform, because we are just scratching the surface here, but it is a really powerful tool that is one of my favorite features of the overall SoFi platform. And lastly, that brings us to the last major feature that SoFi currently offers that personally I have never used before, and that would be the various lending services that SoFi currently offers, including student loans, home loans, and a ton of others, including personal loans and a lot of other stuff. Now, like I said, I personally don't have any experience with these, because other than maybe a mortgage and properly using a credit card and paying it off immediately, I am not a huge fan of debt, therefore I don't use these products. However, I fully understand that that is not the case for everyone's financial situation, so you'll be happy to learn that SoFi was actually started as a student loan lender, and that's really what put them on the map. Obviously, since then they have expanded and added a ton of really great products outside of lending, but they still offer some of the most competitive student loan rates, and have since added other options like personal loans, mortgages, including mortgage refinancing and home equity loans, undergraduate, graduate, law, MBA, and parent student loans, and even small business financing. So regardless of what you need money for or need a loan for, I'm sure that SoFi has your back and will hopefully have an option for you at a very competitive interest rate. So those are the major features that SoFi offers, but they also have countless member benefits, including free financial planning, estate planning partnerships, SoFi Protect, which is their entire branch of insurance options, exclusive communities and experience events, personalized career advice and unemployment protection, and so much more. Like literally, if I read off all of the benefits that the SoFi platform offers, we would actually be here for several hours. And despite the fact that I've been a user of this platform for almost 2 years, there are still new benefits that I'm discovering every single week. So this one probably doesn't come as a surprise, but to answer the question of today's video, is SoFi still worth it? In my opinion, absolutely, without a doubt. Again, I'm not being paid by SoFi to say that, and I'm not sponsored by them, nor have I ever been, although that would be really cool, so SoFi, call me. But I can tell you, as someone that has used and reviewed like 100 different bank accounts and other financial platforms, that to this day, SoFi is still the best one-stop shop for all of my financial needs. Now, that's not to say that I don't use other platforms, because you all know that I absolutely do use tools like Wealthfront, for example, for automated passive investing, and other platforms for my business banking, for example, because that is an area that SoFi is lacking in. But that being said, SoFi absolutely is that one-stop shop that allows you to do your banking, investing, budgeting, borrowing, crypto investing, and so much more under one app from your smartphone, all for completely free. Now, like I said, I would love to see them add things like business account options and maybe even a credit builder card, like what their competitor Chime now offers. But I truly think that SoFi is leading the charge when it comes to modern financial technology companies, and I only see their platform and customer base continuing to grow for years, if not decades to come. So again, if you are interested in the SoFi platform, then definitely check out the many videos that I have made, as well as the links in the description below that will give you some free money and other benefits when you sign up for the various SoFi products that they currently offer. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, the easiest way to do that is actually by checking out some of my favorite financial tools down in the description below, many of which will give you some free money when you sign up, including one offer from the Point Cashback debit card that'll currently give you $100 when you open your account and make your first purchase, so definitely check that out using the link down below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future, and of course, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.